Managing business data feels like a full-time job, right?
Say goodbye to scattered data and manual tracking.
Say hello to Business Dashboard. With Business Dashboard, you can track your sales trends, find GST mismatches, view notices, and spot defaulter suppliers. No complex setup, no technical skills needed. Want to start? Just 3 easy steps. Enter your business GST number, log in securely, choose your date range, and see your business performance instantly.
Here, in the Overview section, you can see total sales, total purchase, total input tax credit, and even check your refund eligibility instantly. In the Sales section, you'll get a complete detailed view of your sales data.
See total sales, total tax liability, and sales trends at a glance. View top 5 customers, outward supplies by GST rate, and instantly detect GSTR 3B versus GSTR1 mismatches. ITC Overview. See available ITC, claimed ITC, reversed ITC, and reclaimed ITC, all clearly categorized.
The Notices section, where you can check all the notices you've received and why they were issued.
Compliance details, auto-calculated GST refund eligibility, filed refund amount. Business Dashboard, it helps you track revenue, automated compliance, and cash flow. Simple, smart, secure.